Hello friends, welcome to Infotech channel. So in this session, okay, I'm trying to explain Bootstrap tabs. So how to create a dynamic tabs using this Bootstrap file. Okay, so it is pretty simple. In order to create a tabs, okay, we use a navigation. Okay, in the navigation itself, we can create a tabs here. Okay, so how to create a tabs in the sense. So let me share my Visual Studio. So we can save the file. Okay, now tabs tabs.html, or you can directly write tabs.html. Okay, so for creating a tabs, so we use a navigation. Okay, try to give some title for this tabs. Okay, this is a dynamic tabs we have. So now I'm creating a tabs with Nav-pills. Okay, so try to create here a BS link. Okay, I'm creating here link. Okay, and so here, so let me create a Bootstrap link. CSS bootstrap.min.css file. Okay, this is a Bootstrap link. We created this. So next thing, we need to create a tabs here. For creating a tab, okay, the very first thing, I just created one like a nav bar. So I'm trying to create one container. So inside of container, let me create one navigation bar. Okay, so for this, let me create an UL tag. For UL tag, okay, I'm taking a now, taking a class now. Okay, and for this, I'm trying to write Nav-pills. Okay, inside of this, let me create a list item. Okay, this is a now item and anchor tag. So we can write here the class nav link, nav hyphen link, and trying to write here home. Okay, similarly, let me create three tabs here. Okay, trying to remove this active and about service. Okay, so here I'm just writing now justified class. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, so here we go. We created here home, about, and services. Now, in order to create a okay tab, so we use this tab pane. Okay, tab pane is a class. Okay, in order to place a tab content inside of tab panes. So below that, let me create a tab pane. Okay, I will use your tab content. Okay, create one div. I'm taking here an ID equal to home. Okay, so take a class equal to tab pane. Okay, and we'll write here first is an active position. Okay, and let me take here welcome to home page. trying to write some text here. Okay, make it a beautify. And trying to write an image tag src. Okay, so I'm taking here image leaf. Okay, trying to write a alt tag leaves, and I'm trying to set one class is called, okay, image fluid in order to make it responsive. Okay, I'm adding thumbnail. Okay, now we created here tab content. Okay, this is a tab pane. Now similarly, let me create let me copy this one. Okay, I can paste it here. Okay, just change this image leaves, and here also we can select, okay, image welcome to, so this is a contact, or you can write service. This is about a space about, and remove this active class. Okay, so we created here. Now so I'm taking service, so here I'm taking about. So now to activate this one, we need to mention, okay, a JS link. For JS link, you can take here script, okay, src JS folder bootstrap.min.js file. Okay, so now to activate this, we use a dynamic class is called, okay, so dynamic class is called data bs toggle. Okay, it just act as a switch between nav items. Whenever user click on this button, it will be reveal the data, and okay, reveal the data and collapse the data. Okay, like we can use this one. Okay, so go to this where we can add in the sense, okay, in the anchor tag itself we need to add here one class is called data bs toggle. Okay, so here, so I may add data bs toggle. Okay, so data bs toggle equal to, I may add here pill. Okay, database bs toggle equal to pill. The same data bs toggle I may add here for about us also, because we are creating a pills file, we can need to add here data pills. Okay, and in href, okay, so here we will add, so first thing we have a home, right? We can write home, and next we have an about, so just add here an about. Okay, we can add, okay, service, try to copy this, we can paste it here, service. Okay, now we created here data toggle. Okay, data toggle, and we just add link up with this. Okay, and try to reload this on the page. Okay, go to this browser. Okay, just reload this page. Okay, so here we go. So we created here some image and heading here. Okay, I'm trying to set here like for image. Okay, we just add one class is call to. Okay, then make it to column 5. Okay, similarly let me add the same column 5 for the images. Okay, so go to this browser, let's reload this page. Okay, so when I'm click on this about, so it will go to this about us page. When I click on this services, it will go to this services page. Okay, see, like this we can create a tabs in Bootstrap.